Hello everyone, welcome to Encryption, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to give you a trick on how you can send emails to your own folder in Gmail rather than dumping all the emails in the inbox. So let's begin. This is my Gmail inbox, and here as you can see, all emails are in the inbox folder except the emails filtered as spam. I have so many emails from Reddit, and because of that I'm getting difficulty to spot more important emails than these Reddit emails. So what I will do is I will create a folder and configure to send all the emails directly to that folder rather than in the inbox folder. This is something called as filtering emails. So for that, click on any of the emails that you want to filter. Go to the three dots on the right side of the email and click on that. Here you can see like this option, or you can do the same by clicking on these three dots and clicking on filter emails like this. Here you can remove no reply at to redirect all the emails from redditmail.com to the folder that you specify. Then just click on this create filter button. Now click on skip the inbox so that emails from Reddit mail will not appear in the inbox folder now onwards. On the apply label, click on choose label. And if you already have the folder, click on that, or you can create new folder from here. Give a name to the folder and click on create. I already have the folder in the name, so I close it and click on that folder. Also, you can check on never send it to spam. Categorize it as primary or any other. And very importantly, check on this also apply filter to matching conversations so that all the existing emails from Reddit mail will be redirected to the folder. Then click on create filter button. If you have so many emails, let's say thousands of emails, then it may take quite a bit of time. Here as you can see 116 emails already filtered and sent to the folder. If you click on the inbox folder, now you won't see any emails from Reddit mail in the folder. So now onwards, all the emails will be directly go to the Reddit folder. Okay friends, this is how we can filter emails in Gmail. I hope the video was interesting and informative to you. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next. Until then, have a nice time. Goodbye.